crochet a necklace like that. You can do it long or short, perfectly as you prefer. I show you another one. For example, I show you this one is short, and a very nice particular is that I will give you the instruction to join these jewelry elements so that you can open your necklace and it will be very easy to wear it. For example, this is a short one. Then I did another one. So I did so many in so many colors. This one is short too. You can wear also two, for example. It depends on your outfit. Okay, so let's get started. To create a necklace like that, we need a few accessories. First of all, this kind of yarn. I will put the link in the information box to give you an idea of what kind of yarn you can use. I show you another one. You see, it's a very thin and shining yarn. You can work this yarn with a small crochet hook size from 0.75 millimeters up to 2 millimeters. It depends on you how big you like your chain will appear. In my case, I like that the chain is visible and not too tight, so I will use a 2 millimeters, but you can use a 1, a 1.5, whatever you like. We can say from 0.75 to 2 millimeters. Then, very important, you need a needle like that. I will put the link in the information box for the needle as well. This is a special needle that you can open and you can put your yarn inside the needle so easily because you can open it like that. Okay? This is very important. This is one of the most important instruments to create necklace with beads. Then, of course, you need beads. You can use the kind of beads you prefer. I have, you see, some pearls. I have crystals, glass beads, and so on. Of course, you can use whatever you prefer. It depends on what you like the most. Okay? Okay, we are ready to start. Open your needle, put the yarn through like that, close the needle, and now you are ready to put the beads. Sorry. Okay. I'm ready to put the beads. I will start with one pearl, then one crystal, then another pearl but light color, a dark pearl, a crystal, and so on till you get to the correct number of beads you have to include in your work. We can say that for a long necklace I will include about 62 centimeters of beads. I put about 100 beads and used about 15 meters of this metallic yarn for a necklace which will be 2.70 meters long. I will turn the necklace 3 times and I will have a necklace of 3 strands of 90 centimeters length. Okay, after you put all the beads, now you are ready to start working. Remove your needle. Okay, remove the needle, take the crochet hook, slip knot to start, insert your hook in the loop like that, and now start with 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now you have to take the first bead here near the starting 5 chains, pick up the yarn, pull it through like that, and your bead is included in your chain, is well fixed. Now chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take the next bead like that. Pick up the yarn, pull it through like that. Now chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The next bead and repeat. It's so easy, really. Pick up the yarn, pull it through, and keep working like that till the end of the beads. Go ahead, alternating your 5 chains and your bead like that. You have to continue till you get to the end of the beads, so that all the beads are included in your chain. At the end of this work, I will show you how to finish your work in a professional way. Okay, now all the beads have been included in my chain. Finish your work with the number of chains you decided to put between one bead and the next one. Cut the yarn and now pull it through like that, this way. Now we are ready to put we are ready to put the elements, the jewelry elements, to complete our necklace. Okay, now you see we have 3 yarns, 1, 2 and 3 to join. We have to pass through one of the chain, pick up the yarn, pull it through the chain 1 and pull the yarn like that. Now your necklace, you see, on the other side, of course, the same method. Your necklace is made of 3 yarns, you see. Now we are ready to put the metallic elements to create the joining of this necklace. Okay, I'll show you how to make this closure. First of all, you need these 4 squashing beads or rings. I don't know the precise name in English. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you need 2 jumper rings without opening and 2 jumper rings with opening and 1 clasp and 1 chain if you like to make your necklace longer, and of course your magic needle to be opened. Okay, so let's start with the needle. Open it and insert your thread, your laminated thread inside into the needle like that. This is the final thread of your necklace, you see. Now take 2 of the 4 squashing beads, 1 and 2, insert your needle into the 2 beads like that. Now take 1 ring without opening, 1 like that. Now you have to insert your needle only into the 2 small beads like that. Pick up the yarn, pull it through, tighten your yarn, and now you just have to squash the 2 beads like I'm doing. In this way, squashing these 2 small aluminium beads, you will fix your thread and the thread will not move anymore. This is at one side. Now you have to cut the yarn first, cut the yarn. Okay, now you have to insert one of the 2 rings with opening, close this jumper ring, and insert the chain into the jumper ring. Close the ring, and one of the 2 sides of your necklace is ready. Now we have to attach the clasp on the other side. Attach 1 ring, your clasp like that. Close the ring. And your closure, your necklace closure, is ready. That's it.